Very nice. Holy. Maybe I should have gotten the Yeti SB 150 or 140. Is that what it was? I forget. Because I'm riding the Yeti that I won from Imbo. And I was offered a really fancy, fun, full suspension rig. It was like I mainly bike in Wisconsin. I'll take the hardtail. I got an ARC, and I'm loving it. Wow. Step up. Little wraps. Oh, sorry, little maple tree. So there's another trail I cut in here. Wait a second. Am I climbing this again? Is that the same thing I climbed just now? I can't tell. Maybe? I'm getting old. Nope. Here's what I went up. Okay. Cool, cool. So let's way back down. Back down to where we started.